Yeah, good day YouTubers. Just want to show you the way I'm going to hang my bottle after it's been filled up with the matured spirits, with the honey, bourbon, wild turkey that I'm making. And this is simply just a thing I made so I can drain off the wax that's going to settle down at the bottom of this bottle. As you can see, it's nice and tapered. It's a 5 litre demijohn bottle, and all I've got is a little fish tank, little drain valve. I drill a little hole in it, and that's simply I'll take it out so I can show you, so just bear with me. So I can just got to unclip this. I'll show you how I actually made it. And so you put your spirits in a bottle and then tip it upside down, hang it up. As you can see, I just got a wire that's running, stainless steel wire that's running at the bottom of the neck. Got another one at the top to keep it nice up, straight up. Got a little bungee cord that helps me while I'm putting the wires on to hold it in place. It's a drain, the bottle, bottom of the bottle. And now let me show you how I actually made this thing. So that just clips onto the bottle, obviously. This is just a vent tube, so it doesn't make a vacuum inside. Doesn't make a vacuum on the inside of the bottle. And this is the hole where the wax is going to drain through. That's also where the tap is on. That's where the little tap is on. So I drilled it out, and then this tube goes right in the center, and it's actually this is a hole that goes straight through, and that's all sealed off here. So it's just going to be a vent, so it will suck in the air on the sides and up in this tube, and will just so it doesn't create a vacuum on the inside of the bottle. Little fish tank, little tap to regulate the flow. That's a 4mm hose, I think, a 4 or 5mm hose. I think it's a 4. Then I've got another little tap at the end that I can open and close, and that will trap the sediment inside the hose, and I can stop it wherever I want to stop it, because it's a see-through hose, and I'll be able to see when the sediment is coming through, or when the clear spirits is coming through. Then I can stop and I can unplug the hose and then pull all the sediment off. So as you can see, there's the little hole there. Still got my seal on the cap, so it will seal off the bottle. And that little hole, that's where the black hole, it's where the wax is going to drain through the little tap with the 4mm hose. So I thought I'll share that with you. Just a quick video of how I made the actual so it's just basically like all the sediment is just going to sink down to the bottom and be able to drain it off without have to siphon it off. It's probably better just to drain it off. So we'll see how that works. So just some ideas that I thought I'll share with you guys, and thanks for watching. Cheers.